Yeah. How to access characters as string? Can you listen me?
Sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Yeah. How to access characters of a string? How to access means we can access characters of a string by using the following ways. Two ways are accessing characters in a string. Two ways. First is by using index, and second by using a slice operator. So first of all, by using index. Python supports both positive and negative index. I already backward forward positive negative index. I already teach you now.
Yes,
Krishna.
sir.
Okay. Positive index means left to right forward direction, and negative index means right to left backward directions. Forward and backward. Backward is only positive and only negative. Your backward directions. So first of all, is 5. Is 5 equal to Python. So first of all, I know this is only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know 5 character, but I don't know how many in this string. So Python is
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
Your screen is not visible.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. So only this simple way. This is Python S5. Yeah. Starting levels. Yeah. S5. Python. I know how many character in this string. I know already. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know. But I don't know how many characters in this string. So how to find? So make it Python is very simple AGE language. Okay. I don't know how many characters in this string. So how to find? Print. This is len function. So S5. So this is 30 characters. Okay. In this string 30 characters. So I can easily access. So print S5 of this is 28. So G 28 characters G. So 28 means space is counted. Space is count. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, or 26, 27, 28. या सॉरी वन स्पेस और ब्रेकआउट हो गया बट जीरो से स्टार्ट करता है ओके सो आई विल नोट I will show you 0. 0 is P. Okay. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 is spaces. So 6 is space. Space is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is space. So denote the spaces. So a string count, if you want to access the character, so included the spaces. Count include spaces. Okay. other language, other example. If I say minus 6, so minus 6 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 6 यानी कि n. This is n value. If I say minus 30, p value, minus 30 is a p value. So you understand backward and forward how to find the character in the string?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I say found this is not a 35, 37. So this is error. Which error? Okay, double like. Yeah. So string index out of range. This is error. Index error. String index out of range because not an index in 30. Only index is 30. But I want print value 37. So 37 is string index out of range. Yeah. Note: if we are trying to access characters of a string without of range index, then we will get error. Index error. Okay, same. This is index error. Write a program to accept some string from the keyboard and display it by index wise, both positive and negative. Okay, so write a program to accept some string from the keyboard and display its characters by index wise. Means if I say a string is Python, so index value p equal to 0 or p equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, p equal to minus 6, y equal to 1 and y equal to minus 5. So this is output. So how to write the code? This is a formatting string. This is a formatting string. I will teach you formatting string further. Okay. S input, enter some strings I equal to 0 for x in S and print the I of format I comma I minus length means total of length, string of length, and length of S means S of S, total of S of length minus 1, and X I equal to I plus 1. Run this code. Python very simple. So the character present positive index is 0 and negative index is minus this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 30 29 and 39 29 minus this is minus value. So this is positive and negative index to find the string. Okay, how to access formatting string, how to call, I will teach you further. Okay, this is a string parts. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, yeah. accessing characters by using operator. Accessing characters by using index and by using slice operator. Two operations are done. First is index is done and second is slice operator. So how to slice operator work? Syntax. Beginning index यानी कि starting, ending index and steps. How to work steps. So beginning index from where we have to consider slice substrings index and index. We have to terminate the slice substring at index and index -1. Okay, and index -1 and step increment value. If we are not specify being index, then it will consider from beginning of string. Means if I say this line of output, okay, s1, s3 equal to country, okay, and print of s4 equal to s3 of print s4. This is same result. Print s4. If I say starting value not a deal, and ending value 7 and not increment. So print s4. So I love. So this is 0, starting 0 indexation. That means if we are not specifying being any starting index, then it will consider from beginning, from the string. So start is a beginning value. Start the beginning यानी कि I. So start I space 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is -1. 6 is spaces. So this is spaces. Space already count. Okay. And so say if I say 1 steps, so 1. So output is same because default is 1 increment. And if I say 2, so print is 2 because I LU because I starting value, so 0. 7 तक चलना है तो up to 7, तो 2 increase है तो 0 1 and 2, so L and 1 and 2, so V 1 and 2, so spaces counted, so increment 2 values. If I say 10 3 value, so 3 value count. IO. What is IO? IO means I V1 2 3 O V1 2 3. This is space, so IO. Got it? This is slice operator. Behavior of slice operator being starting steps, end steps and steps. Steps value can be either positive or negative. Okay? If positive, then it should be forward direction, left to right, and we have to consider beginning to ending -1. यानी कि beginning से 0 and to end -1. If we negative, then we should be backward direction, right to left. and we have to consider beginning to end plus 1. In forward direction, same results. In backward direction, default value for beginning -1, default value for end, length of string plus 1. So this is your yeah. So understand how to access characters of string. First is by using index, by using slice operator. Done.
Done, sir.
No, sir.
So next topic is mathematical operations. Many string is a very length of mathematical operations. Many functions are inbuilt. Many inbuilt functions are in the string. Mathematical operations, length function, inbuilt function, length, and comparison of two strings, removing spaces from the string, finding substring, find index, r find, r index far. Many more examples, indexing method, continuing substring in the given substring, in the given string, replacing a string with another string, splitting of string, many functions, checking starting and ending part of the string, formatting the string. So this is string. So continue will be continue tomorrow, same time 3 to 5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, go practice, and any doubt, ask me tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Neela, understand? Neela, not to speak. Neela? Neela is gone. No. Neela? Neela? Where are you? Okay. Yeah. So, see you tomorrow, same time, 3 to 5. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Neela?
ठीक है, sir.
Neela speak. Neela speak. Okay. Same time?
Yeah, same time.
Bye-bye.
Okay. One reminder,
Bye.
please
Yeah, I know.
Pass.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
To my email, to my new email ID, not this one.
I know. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.